Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about the latest and greatest tools for marketers and how you can use AI for your marketing needs. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a buyer persona. Now before we dive in, let's first talk about what a buyer persona is. A buyer persona is a fictional character that represents your ideal customer. It helps you understand your customers' needs, behaviors, and preferences so you can tailor your marketing efforts to better reach and engage with them. Now, in my research, I've been able to find two different ways of creating simple and more complex buyer personas using ChatGPT. So this is a really easy way that I'm going to go over first, and just to keep the video nice and concise and quick, we're just going to do it, quick and dirty and make it real easy on everybody. So what I have here is ChatGPT. Sign in. It's free if you don't have an account already. I have some other stuff in here, but that's because I've been fiddling around with a bunch of options and whatnot. Obviously, as someone who's a fan of this, I'm getting a little bit deeper into all the little parts and pieces and things that you can add on and boost and this kind of stuff. So ignore that. But if you do have any questions about it, just drop me a comment and I will make sure to get back to you with some information on how you can use it yourself. Anyways, here's what we're going to do to get started. To make a really easy, simplified version of this, we're going to ask ChatGPT to do exactly what we want. So we're going to say, please, because I'm Canadian, so I guess I'm starting, even when I chat with AI, I'm starting with a please. Please create a buyer persona for, let's call it window cleaning business in North Vancouver. Right, so here we go. We got Lisa, 35 to 50, female, married with children, full-time working mom, background. We got goals and motivations, challenges and pain points. The key message, so our window cleaning service is reliable, professional, and affordable, and can help busy homeowners like Lisa maintain the appearance and value of their homes. That's some pretty outstanding stuff. We're going to start with a really simple one here. We're just going to type in create a buyer persona. There you go, another one. So as you can see here, you can go as broad or as simple as you want, and you can just start racking these things together. If you really want to get deep into this, the question I found was, what questions could you ask me to help me build a strong buyer persona for my business? Here we go. So now we have a list of 10 questions that we can answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab these. We're going to come down here. We're going to throw them in there. We're going to say, want to target people who are in their middle ages and excited about technology. What are your customers' goals and motivations? What are they trying to achieve with your product or service? They want to have the cleanest windows in North Vancouver. So as you can see, we can kind of go through here. We're just going to do those two just to keep this nice and short and concise. And just with those two answers now, they were able to take those and generate something that's like pretty interesting in terms of just with those two answers, they were able to create something really cool. So if you go down here, have a look at it, gives you a message, challenges and pain points, goals and motivations, their background, demographics, and even a name to go off. So this has been how to create a quick and easy buyer persona using ChatGPT. So next time you're trying to figure out how to use AI to make your life just a little bit easier and make your marketing work a little bit better, here's your 1% for the day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you later. Bye.